In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A11 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. If you want to adjust font size on your Samsung, here's how to do it using only devices settings. So let's begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access display section available here. When you're ready, scroll again and this time choose font size and style. Finally, you can operate this slider under font size to adjust it and check out preview at the top. So when I do that and go back, I can see that size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!